What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2007 R1200S. Guys, this bike's in awesome shape. I love the look of this bike. So we got a couple little, it's like holes right there. Don't know if someone was attached there or not. Performance exhaust on it, great tread on the tires, guys. Single-sided swing arm looks freaking awesome. Got a couple scuffs on the engine there. Not a big deal. This bike looks freaking awesome. I just love the look of it. Got that Öhlins, like the gold Öhlins can there in the back. Scuff right there. Scuff right there. Öhlins suspension just looks so cool. The gold. This is all in really nice shape. Got a little scuff you can see on the bottom of the engine, like on the plastic part there. Single-sided swing arm. Actually, the rims are in a fantastic shape. Somebody definitely loved this bike, guys. We got looks like we got a touch-up job with some scratches right there. That's our major, that's like our big, R-title this bike, R-title it. Now, guys, it's not a big deal. Your legs are there 90% of the time. What the heck does it matter? This bike has 35,196 miles on it. Fires up right away. Obviously, it's got heated grips, ABS, boom. This bike's awesome. I want to go on a really long trip somewhere and take this bike with me. It looks so much fun to ride. It looks awesome. Like I said, guys, 2007 BMW R1200S. This bike will not last long. It's super cool. Thanks, for watching, guys.